The other day I was thinking about small businesses and Small Business Saturday, and it reminded me of something that happened when I was a young boy. I was in the kitchen one Father's Day making burnt toast and cold coffee, as you do, and my mom was in the kitchen, and I said to her, "Mom, how come there's a Mother's Day and a Father's Day, but there's no Children's Day?" And she said to me, "You don't need a Children's Day because every day is Children's Day." And this got me thinking the other day about Small Business Saturday. Why do we need a specific day for small businesses? Because every day should be Small Business Day. The reality is that every day is not Small Business Day, so they actually have to have a day to celebrate small businesses and to raise awareness for small businesses. So in line with that, I've written a blog post called 6 Reasons Why You Should Buy from a Small Business. And that's not about what you as the consumer can do for the business. It's all about what the business can do for you. Because I believe that there's a lot of merit in buying from small businesses. And I believe a lot of people are missing out on that. So please do have a look at the blog post. If you are a small business or the organizers of Small Business Saturday, we all know how hard it can be. We all know the challenges that you face. But what I would like to say is keep up the good work.